I'll stay in the car. Nice sunrise. Waves aren't that big here, actually. I think they were bigger than the other beach. This is the one I was at yesterday, Friday, February 7th. Battery light's on anyway. It was on when I was still videoing the other beach. Yeah. Well, maybe I'll just see what I can get here. I got the heater on. Hands were cold. Yeah. Today's date is 2/8. 6 months ago today we had nice thunder and lightning. 8/8/19. That was a good one too. And the sun's out. Yeah. I think the waves today are about as big as they were when I was here yesterday, but this time I think they were bigger than the other beach. I was by the Lighthouse. Of course the road was barricaded, but that's okay. I had to park here, well, the other parking lot before I drove here. Yeah. See how I do here. Yeah. Can't see too much over there. Alright, well, the sun is shining brightly, so I can't really point in that direction, so. Well, after today, I'm not sure when I shall return, because it all depends on the next ocean low. It has to whip up those waves. We don't see anything on the weather map that will do that. It's supposed to be relatively, it's cold today, tonight, and tomorrow, but it's supposed to be relatively mild during the week. Well, for non-light rain showers, maybe snow to the north, but nothing like we had yesterday in terms of high wind. Yeah. Alright. Can't see the waves too well because the reeds are in the way, but yeah, I'm not going to go down there and videotape. My hands are cold and really nothing's flashy or splashy. Flashy or splashy, whatever you call it. Yeah, I think I got some good stuff on the other beach. I was happy what I got. Again, I was here exactly 2 years ago today, 2/8/18. Yeah. Battery light's about to come back on. It was on. I didn't change batteries before I'm doing this clip. Yeah, it was nice to see the sunrise. Yeah, but don't point the camcorder at the sun, so. Yeah, I know about that. Yeah. Okay, the battery light's back on. It was on. I didn't change batteries though. Sorry. Got it on zoom also. That tends to drain the battery juice. Yeah, there's a nice wave there. Can't hear it though. Oh, nice wave here. Oh, that was a goodie. Might have caught that boy. Alright. Until the next time. Bye now.